In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run ads on Pinterest Mobile. By the end, you'll have your account set up the right way so you can start promoting your content directly from your phone. Before we dive in, make sure your Pinterest app is updated and that you're logged into the account you want to advertise from. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once it loads, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to your personal space where your saved pins and boards live. From your profile, look to the top of the screen and tap the settings icon. It appears as a small gear and opens the settings menu where you control account preferences and privacy. Inside settings, choose account management. This is where you control what type of account you have and manage core details tied to your profile. Next, select convert to a business account. Converting is free and it keeps your existing pins and followers intact. The big advantage is that a business account unlocks ads, analytics, and additional tools you need to run campaigns effectively. Tap Convert Account. You'll be asked to enter your profile name. Use a clear brand-aligned name that people will recognize since this appears on your ads and public profile. Once you've typed your profile name, tap Next to continue. You'll now see a field to add your website. Enter your primary business website or online store URL, then tap Next. Using your main domain helps Pinterest connect your content and improves reporting accuracy. If you don't have a website yet, consider what you'll use long term so your tracking and branding stay consistent. On the next screen, describe your business. Choose the category that best fits what you offer and provide any requested details. You'll also see a question about whether you're interested in running ads. Choose yes, no, or not sure. This simply tailors recommendations and doesn't lock you into anything. After making your selections, tap Next. That's it. Your account is now set up as a business profile on mobile, which gives you access to Pinterest's ads tools. From here, you'll be able to explore campaign creation, choose objectives like traffic or conversions, and promote your pins to reach more of the right people. A couple of tips before you go. Keep your profile name and website consistent with your brand, use high-quality vertical images for pins you intend to promote, and organize your boards so visitors quickly understand what you offer. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, get your business account converted now, and you'll be ready to launch your first Pinterest ad straight from your phone.